Hi guys, I have been looking for a small foldable table that I can take everywhere with me. I can keep it in my car, and I got this one from Amazon. The first thing I notice is how compact it is. When it's folded, it looks like a small briefcase with a built-in handle. There are two different heights. I will open it now and I'll show you which one I'm using for my kids. I have two young kids, so I need a table that it's not that high. It can go from 10 inches to up to 28 inches. So when you open it, the first thing you need to open the first two legs. It's from here. Okay, so that's the first size. Everything else can stay inside here, and once it's open, you need to walk it out from here. And that's the height that I'm using when I need a table for my kids. It's 10 inches high. So if you need the table if you want to use the table for the second high, which is 18 inches, you can use this one with cap at the bottom. But if you want to use the highest high, which is 27 inches, then you need to put these ones first, that they're open from both sides. And now put this one with the cap at the end. So I'll build it now to the highest position, which is 27 inches. That's the highest it can go. And again, make sure it's locked. And also I like that there is additional net if you want to put it here down, so you can have extra storage. The tabletop feels very sturdy and it's made to be waterproof. So if you spill a drink or food, you can simply wipe it out, clean it with a cloth. That's something that I always appreciate when I use the table outdoors, especially having two young kids. Even though it's lightweight, it feels stable once everything is locked into a place, and it's great for holding food, drinks, camping gear, or even small portable grill on it. It can support up to 66 pounds. The table weight is less than 6 pounds. I also like that this table isn't just for camping. You can use it for picnic, beach trips, fishing, RV travel. Just use it when you are outdoor at a concert or some other events. I think this is a very practical folding table. It's lightweight, easy to carry, quick to set up, easy to clean, and adjustable height make it much more usable than a standard camping table. If you're looking for portable table that doesn't take up much space, this one is definitely worth checking out.